Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ActiveCampaign for marketing automation step by step clearly. To begin, log into your ActiveCampaign account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Automation section. Click on the Create an Automation button. Choose the Start from Scratch option. Then, click Continue to start building your automation. Next, you will see a blank automation canvas. To add a trigger, click on the Add Start button. Choose the list that will initiate this automation. Next, set any additional conditions if necessary. Once comfortable with the trigger, click Add Start. Now, it's time to add an action to your automation. Click the plus icon to add your first action. Select an action type from the menu, like Send an email. If you choose Send an email, click on Choose Email. You can create a new email or use an existing one. Fill in the email details, including the subject line and body content. After completing the email, click Save. Continue adding actions as needed for your automation. For example, you might want to add a wait action. Specify the duration you want to pause before the next action. Another useful action is to add a tag to a contact. You can do this by selecting Add a Tag from the Actions menu. Enter the tag name to categorize your contacts effectively. To refine your automation further, consider adding decision points. Click the plus icon and select If/Else from the Action menu. Set your conditions for the decision point based on user behavior. Remember to map out your automation flow to keep it organized. Once satisfied with your automation layout, review your settings. Click Active to enable your automation when ready. Lastly, test your automation to ensure it functions as intended. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing results. Once everything is confirmed, your ActiveCampaign automation is ready to go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.